How to log in into LinkedIn account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into LinkedIn account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser and in the search bar, simply type in LinkedIn. Now head over to the www.linkedin.com. You will land on this official web page. Now to log in, click on sign in button at the top right. Then you will land on sign in page. Here, first of all, you have to enter the email or phone number associated with your account. And under that, you have to enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link right here that says forget password. Click on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your account. Or if you have created your account using your Google account or your Apple account, you can also sign in with this as well. So once you're done entering your login credential, click on sign in button. And if you have entered the correct login credential, you will be directly logged into your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.